I've scoured Dollar Tree for gardening hacks you've never seen before, and some of these are absolute game changers. If you think you need a big budget to have a beautiful productive garden, think again. Today I'm sharing brand new tested ideas that are practical, affordable, and yes, totally unique. Whether you're battling invasive plants, pests, or just trying to keep your seedlings alive longer, these hacks will make your garden smarter and more creative than ever before. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, the place where budget meets brilliance in every green space. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 hacks plus a bonus tip that could transform the way you garden, and all without breaking the bank. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a clever trick that makes gardening easier, faster, and way more fun. Hack number 1: Foam Poster Board Root Barrier System. If you've ever struggled with mint, bamboo, or other invasive plants creeping into every corner of your garden, this first hack is going to be a lifesaver. Dollar Tree's white foam poster boards can be transformed into an underground root barrier that keeps aggressive plants contained. Simply cut the boards to size and install them vertically, about 12 to 18 inches deep along the edges of your garden bed. This inexpensive solution stops roots from spreading without chemicals or expensive commercial barriers, and it lasts multiple seasons with minimal maintenance. Installation is easier than you might think. You can slide the boards into an existing bed without disturbing your plants. I tested this in my own garden last season, and it completely prevented mint from taking over while keeping the rest of my plants safe. Not only does it save you money, but it also gives you full control over where your plants grow, making your garden more organized, productive, and stress-free. Hack number 2: Plastic placemats as slug and snail moats. If slugs and snails are constantly feasting on your seedlings, this hack is a game changer. Grab a round plastic placemat from Dollar Tree and cut a hole in the center just big enough for your plant stem. Place it around the base of your plant so the edges naturally curl up, forming a shallow depression. Fill that depression with water, and you've created an impassable moat that keeps these slimy pests away. This works in containers or directly in garden beds, giving you flexible protection wherever you need it. I tested this on my herb garden last season, and the results were remarkable. Plants that were previously chewed down to stems were suddenly thriving, completely untouched by pests. It's a simple, reusable, and low-cost solution that makes a huge difference, letting your young plants grow strong and healthy, without constant battle against slugs and snails. Hack number 3: Broom heads as living walls. If you're looking to add a creative space-saving element to your garden, try turning corn broom heads into vertical succulent planters. Mount the broom heads horizontally on a wall, fence, or even a sturdy frame. Then fill the bristles with soil and small succulents. The bristles hold the plants securely, while allowing water to drain naturally, creating a low-maintenance living wall that doubles as eye-catching garden art. It's an easy way to bring greenery to places where ground space is limited, and the result looks far more expensive than it actually is. I set up one of these living walls 3 months ago, and the growth has been amazing. Succulents have rooted quickly, and the overall effect is lush and vibrant. You can mix different types and colors of succulents for a truly custom design, and it's fully adjustable. As plants grow, you can swap or add more. This hack is perfect for anyone who wants to combine practicality with visual appeal, turning an ordinary wall or fence into a stunning garden feature without spending a fortune. Hack number 4: Turkey basting bags as fruit protection. If birds or pests are constantly stealing your fruit, this hack will save your harvest. Dollar Tree's oven roasting bags can be repurposed as individual fruit protectors. Simply tie a breathable bag around each apple, peach, or tomato before it ripens. These clear bags allow air circulation, while keeping birds, insects, and other pests away. And the best part is they're reusable for multiple seasons. You'll no longer have to worry about half your crop disappearing overnight. I tried this method on my tomato and peach trees last season, and the difference was dramatic. The fruit inside the bags grew to full size, unblemished, and perfectly healthy, while unprotected fruit suffered bites and bruising. It's a simple, affordable, and highly effective way to safeguard your plants, giving you peace of mind and a much better yield without spending a fortune on commercial netting or cages. Hack number 5. Furniture felt pads as a capillary watering system. Keeping seedlings and container plants consistently watered can be tricky, especially when you're busy or away for a few days. Thick felt furniture pads from Dollar Tree can be transformed into a DIY capillary watering system. Simply line the bottom of your seed trays or plant containers with the pads, and they will slowly draw water up to the soil, keeping it evenly moist over time. This extends the interval between waterings by days and ensures that plants get a steady supply of moisture without overwatering. I tested this hack with several trays of seedlings, and the results were impressive. Plants sitting on the felt pads stayed hydrated longer than those without, and the roots grew strong and healthy. The pads can be cut to fit any container size, making them incredibly versatile. This inexpensive reusable solution not only saves water but also reduces stress on your plants, giving them the ideal environment to thrive without constant attention. Hack number 6. Curtain tension rods as adjustable plant supports. Climbing plants, vines, and tall vegetables often need support, but buying specialized trellises can get expensive. Dollar Tree's curtain tension rods are a simple adjustable solution. You can install them between the sides of raised beds, along fences, or even inside larger containers, and they can be moved up or down as your plants grow. Use them to hang plants, support netting, or create multi-level trellises, whatever your garden needs. Their flexibility makes them perfect for adapting to different plant types and growth stages without buying multiple supports. I've used tension rods in my own garden for tomatoes, cucumbers, and even beans, and the results were fantastic. Plants had the vertical space they needed to flourish, and it was easy to adjust the height as they grew taller. Unlike rigid trellises or stakes, these rods can be repositioned or reused season after season, giving you a practical, budget-friendly way to support a wide range of plants while keeping your garden organized and tidy. Hack number 7. Plastic Easter eggs as soil amendment reservoirs. Here's a clever way to give your plants a slow, steady supply of nutrients. Use plastic Easter eggs as mini fertilizer or soil amendment reservoirs. Fill each egg with worm castings, organic fertilizer, or another slow-release amendment. Poke a few small holes in the shell, and bury it near the root zone of your plants. Each time you water, nutrients gradually leach into the soil, feeding your plants exactly where they need it, without the risk of over-fertilizing. This is especially useful for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, and squash. I tested this method last season on my tomato plants, and the results were remarkable. The plants with the buried eggs grew stronger, with more robust foliage and larger, healthier fruits compared to those I fertilized traditionally. It's a clean, low-cost, and reusable system that delivers nutrients efficiently and minimizes waste, making your garden more productive while saving time and effort. Hack number 8. Microfiber cleaning cloths as root zone moisture sensors. Overwatering or underwatering can quietly sabotage your garden, especially in containers or raised beds where soil dries unevenly. Dollar Tree microfiber cleaning cloths make perfect DIY moisture sensors. Simply bury part of the cloth in the soil near your plant's roots, leaving an edge sticking out. When you check the cloth, it gives a clear indication of how wet or dry the soil is, so you can water precisely when needed without disturbing the roots. This is far more accurate than guessing or using your finger, and it helps prevent root rot and other water-related problems. I've used this hack in a variety of container sizes and garden beds, and it consistently keeps my plants healthier. By monitoring soil moisture this way, I avoided both overwatering seedlings and letting thirsty plants wilt. It's an inexpensive, reusable tool that gives you confidence in your watering schedule and keeps your garden thriving with minimal effort. Hack number 9. Metal cooling racks as humidity domes. Propagating seedlings or hardening off young plants can be tricky, especially when you need to control humidity and airflow. Dollar Tree metal cooling racks make an excellent adjustable base for DIY humidity domes. Simply cover the rack with a clear storage bag, and you have a mini greenhouse that lets you regulate moisture and air circulation. The structure is sturdy, reusable, and easy to move around, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor propagation setups. I used this hack for propagating herbs and flower seedlings, and the results were outstanding. Seedlings germinated faster, grew stronger, and were far less prone to stress compared to traditional trays left open to the air. By adjusting how tightly the bag is sealed, I could fine-tune humidity levels for different plants, creating the ideal environment for young roots to develop. This budget-friendly solution gives you control and flexibility, usually reserved for expensive propagation equipment. Hack number 10. Chalkboard labels as season-long plant markers. Keeping track of what's planted where can be a challenge, especially in large or multi-crop gardens. Dollar Tree wood chalkboard stakes combined with a chalk paint pen create weatherproof reusable plant markers that last all season. Unlike regular chalk, the paint pen doesn't wash away in rain or fade in the sun, so you'll always know which plant is which without constantly replacing labels. This simple hack keeps your garden organized, saves money on commercial markers, and looks neat and professional at the same time. I tested these labels throughout an entire growing season, and they held up perfectly through heavy rain, wind, and heat. Even when I moved plants around, the labels stayed intact and readable. They're reusable year after year, which makes them an eco-friendly solution that's as practical as it is clever. With these markers, you'll never mislabel a plant again, keeping your garden running smoothly from seed to harvest. Bonus: kitchen drawer organizers as a mobile potting station. Staying organized while potting or transplanting can make the difference between a smooth gardening session and a messy disaster. Dollar Tree expandable kitchen drawer organizers can be repurposed into a portable potting station. They hold seeds, labels, tools, and small supplies neatly in compartments, and you can slide the entire organizer under a bench or shelf when not in use. This keeps everything within reach, speeds up your work, and prevents you from constantly hunting for tiny tools or packets of seeds. I set up one of these organizers in my garden last season, and it completely changed the way I pot and manage seedlings. Having all my supplies in one mobile station meant I could move around easily, keep my workspace tidy, and focus on the plants instead of searching for items. It's a small investment that saves time, reduces clutter, and makes gardening more efficient and enjoyable, especially for anyone with limited space or a busy schedule. Which of these Dollar Tree hacks blew your mind the most? I'd love to hear which ones you're planning to try first, or if you've already experimented with similar budget-friendly solutions in your own garden. Comment below and share your experiences. Your ideas might even inspire other viewers to get creative and tackle their garden challenges in new ways. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the simplest, most unexpected tools can make the biggest difference. From foam poster boards stopping invasive roots to microfiber cloths, helping you gauge soil moisture, these hacks prove that a little creativity goes a long way. If you enjoyed these fresh, tested ideas, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a timeless gardening hack again. We share practical, low-cost solutions every week that make gardening easier, more efficient, and a lot more fun. And remember, it's not about how much you spend. It's about using your ingenuity to get the most out of your garden. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video with even more clever ways to grow smarter, not harder.